Hello friends, today I'm sharing one of the simplest and most cost-effective irrigation solutions I've ever used on my own land. Whether you're managing a wide pasture, a small backyard garden, or just trying to keep a lawn green through the scorching summer heat, this one's absolutely for you. If you don't have an in-ground irrigation system, then you've probably faced the constant struggle of keeping your grass alive. I've been there too. For years I wrestled with cheap store-bought sprinklers, leaving dry spots, soaking others, and breaking down far too soon. But out of sheer frustration and a bit of farmer creativity, I built a DIY sprinkler system that not only works, but truly delivers. This system keeps my lawn lush, my garden growing, and my sanity intact. So now I'll guide you through each simple step. Let's get started. The problem with traditional sprinklers. You've likely heard them, the loud rhythmic clicks of a classic impact sprinkler sitting high on a tripod. It's the familiar sound of summer. And yes, while they do water your lawn, they come with serious downsides. First, they demand high water pressure. With just average city flow, I could barely run one. On a well system, absolutely no chance. Second, they're harsh. Large, heavy droplets fall fast and hard, which is bad news for tender grass or freshly planted seeds. Instead of soaking in, the water just displaces everything. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, powerful, and budget-friendly way to build your own sprinkler system, step by step. It's fast, it's easy, and best of all, it works beautifully for your garden, farm, or backyard. First, grab your Hunter sprinkler head body. This little device is the core of your system. Because we're not burying anything, you can handle each part with ease. Nothing's hidden, nothing's complicated. Now take your riser, and before you screw it in, wrap some Teflon tape around the threads. Just a couple of tight turns, that's all you need. This quick step helps stop leaks, which can be surprisingly annoying later on. Then twist the riser firmly into the bottom of the sprinkler head, nice and snug. Next up, you'll attach this to the base of the riser. Make sure the open end points downward. That allows water to flow through and connect to other sprinkler heads if you're setting up a chain. Want to extend the system? Just unscrew the cap and keep going. Now for the fun part, installing the nozzle. Gently pull the riser upward with your fingers, then thread your Hunter MP rotator nozzle onto the top. Once it's on, let the riser retract naturally back into the sprinkler body. It'll sit flush and secure. These nozzles come color-coded for different spray patterns. Blue covers up to 30 feet, spraying from 90 to 270 degrees. Gray gives you a full 360-degree range. Red is for tighter spots, covering shorter distances, just 90 to 120 degrees. Pick the one that suits your space and swap as needed. They're versatile, precise, and surprisingly easy to use. So why is this system a total game changer? First, the gentle spray is perfect for seeding. Your soil stays put and your grass gets the drink it needs. Second, it's multi-zone friendly. Because it doesn't require high pressure, you can run 2 or even 3 heads at once. No problem. Third, the rotating jets give full, consistent coverage. No dry patches, no puddles. Fourth, it's affordable. Every complete sprinkler, head, riser, spike nozzle, and tape costs under $25. And finally, it's completely portable. Need to water a different area? Just pull it up and move it. Simple. Do you want to take it up a notch? Add an automatic timer. I personally use Orbit timers. They're reliable, durable, and super easy to program. Each one can manage up to 3 zones, which means 9 sprinklers running smoothly and efficiently. But if you're after more control, say for seed germination or watering multiple times a day, check out RainPoint timers. They're newer, very customizable, and some models even come with Wi-Fi control. On my own farm, I've set up 3 zones with 3 sprinklers per zone. That's more than enough for large pasture areas, fresh garden beds, and flower rows along the house. That's under $25 per sprinkler. Multiply by 6 or 9 units, and you've got a professional level irrigation system without the pro level price tag. Before you run your system, flush out your hose lines. This clears debris and protects your nozzles. Use the adjustment tool. It costs about $8 to fine-tune spray distance and angle. And when winter hits, just disconnect everything and store it inside. That way you avoid damage and extend the life of your setup. So why does all of this matter? Because farming, gardening, and even lawn care are all about being consistent, adaptable, and smart with your resources. This system checks all those boxes. You don't need a huge budget or fancy plumbing. You just need a few few simple parts, a little time, and a clear plan. And here's the best part, you can finish this project in a single afternoon and enjoy the results for years to come. At the end of the day, we backyard growers and homestead farmers are problem solvers. We work with our hands, we care for the land, we take pride in what we build. And this sprinkler system, it's one of those small wins that makes a huge difference. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button, share this with a friend, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how your setup turns out. Until next time, happy watering and may God bless your land.